Monday, we had a gentleman stop in. He's back here from San Diego, California. He grew up here in Lincoln, and his parents are moving out of their house they've been in for a long time, and we're going to see a 65 Mustang that his dad bought new somewhere here in Nebraska, and has kept it in storage. He's got it stored down the street from their house at another facility, so we're going there to go check it out and see if we can buy this 1965 Mustang coupe. But it's a pretty basic car. We'll check it out.
Awesome.
Just check it out and get some footage and stuff.
Yeah.
Hear the story and stuff about it. If you're good with that.
Yep.
Hi.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm Jan.
I'm Dave. Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting
And this
you.
is Dylan.
Hi.
Hi.
Are you okay with them recording?
Yeah.
Okay. But he parked this like 30 years ago, wasn't it?
About that long, yeah.
Yeah?
We had two kids, and we took that to Adventureland
Really?
a couple of times. Yeah,
Oh, wow.
he used to drive it to work, but then we decided we needed a bigger car.
Makes
You know,
sense.
Yeah, somebody was going too fast for us.
Yeah. Understandable.
A lot of good memories in that car.
So it's been sitting in here for almost 30 years or
yeah,
better?
Yeah, that's the sad story.
Yeah. Looks like she's leaked some fluids. Did you keep like a deep decon or anything in here for the mice or?
I know he had the mothballs.
Oh, okay.
Did
Yeah,
he
he had the mothballs.
I don't know, maybe on the
what else
inside he might have.
stored. Yeah.
It's got the cloth inserts on the seats. Let's see if I can see what the miles is showing. Looks like it's just turned over. Just over 100. No battery in it. I'm gonna see if I can turn on a light here. Strut towers look fairly decent. Typical rust areas. Core support, a little bit just around the battery box area. Radiator looks like it needs to be replaced. You know of any accidents that the car had been in? Any paint work?
Not that I know of,
Okay. Looks like it's had some paint work at some point in time, but
We were the second owners, so I don't know.
oh, but
But it was I believe it was one of his classmates maybe had it for a couple of years.
Oh.
He bought it in 67, right?
Yeah.
he bought a 67.
Yeah, he
Yeah.
bought it
So
in
it's a couple
67.
years old.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay.
Yeah, I think I told him it was whatever. I didn't realize Dad bought it from somebody else had it first.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
always thought Dad bought it brand new.
Oh, no.
Had it long enough though, almost.
Yeah, close enough.
Definitely a primary owner, so I'm sure it was pretty new when you guys got it.
It was.
It's got some rust in the floors. Pretty typical on these cars. The Mises got to it. Just insurance stuff is all I'm seeing. A lot of stuff was packed in around it, huh?
Yeah.
Did you get down here early to?
We did. It only took us about 30 minutes, so it wasn't too bad.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. Obviously, it's been sitting for a long time, so I have no idea what the state of the motor is and stuff, or the tranny, or anything until, we actually, because when they sit that long, all that oil drains into the bottom of the pan and makes it harder to start it without spinning a bearing.
Okay.
Because there's no there's no viscosity and stuff there. It's all metal on metal.
Right.
So we have to basically prime that motor and then see if it runs. And then if it runs, it probably needs carb rebuilt, lines replaced, fuel tank flushed and replaced more than likely. You know, it's just a lot of stuff. But I mean, I guess trying to think of a fair number for the car.
So.
Well, that sounds good. Well,
All right, I'll be in touch with you.
Time.
Yep.
It's a pleasure to meet
Nice
you, dear.
meeting you.
Yep, you got my number, so
Yep.
just call me and let me know. I've
Okay.
got some meetings this afternoon, but we can coordinate,
Okay.
you know, obviously while you're here and get it done.
Okay.
Let me call my tech, Tyler, and see if he can get the trailer hooked up and come down here.
Oh, there's the dog.
Want a quick picture next to it?
Get a picture of us.
Yeah. I can take one with your phone too. Alright, you guys ready? Smile. 3, 2, 1. There's 2 of them. What? Alright.